Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Chromecast powered and your phone on the same Wi-Fi. Open Google Home and let it scan. If prompted, tap Setup. Follow the in-app pairing code. This ensures you connect to the right device. Once paired, name the device and assign a room so you can cast by voice later. Make sure to allow updates when offered. Staying current avoids compatibility issues and enables smooth casting from apps like YouTube and Netflix. You'll now use apps to send content. Open a cast-enabled app, locate the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast. The app becomes a remote. Tap play, skip, or change quality where available. The heavy lifting happens on the Chromecast, which reduces phone battery drain. If you want a mirror, use Google Home's cast screen option. Bear in mind mirroring is lower quality and higher latency than native casting. Once done, use Stop Casting in the app to free the Chromecast for others. To finish cleanly, confirm playback resumes after backgrounding your phone and that your TV input stays on the Chromecast HDMI. If something goes wrong, reboot the Chromecast and router first. Many issues clear with a power cycle. Make sure apps and Google Home are updated, and switch bands if Wi-Fi congestion causes buffering. As a key troubleshooting tip, enable guest mode to test connectivity without your account. If guests can cast but you cannot, the issue is likely app or account permissions rather than hardware.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.